Welcome back to your favorite part of Monday.
This week, we are showing you some of the work we've been doing around here this spring, specifically the work that we've been doing since being back from Texas. There was a bit of catch up to do, so we're working on mowing grass and getting the place looking nice for this springtime. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for joining us this week. With all this grass we're cutting, we're gonna go get a sweeper from my grandpa because that's gonna save us a ton of raking, and then we can use the grass for mulching around stuff, killing grass areas so we can do no-till flowers, stuff like that. Let's go!
Right now, I guess the priority is getting the lawn mowed, I think. It hasn't been mowed for the whole time we were gone, which, how long was that?
9 days?
9 days or something, almost 10 days. So it's quite long. We're gonna try to get it all mowed today and picked up because it's really tall. It's like 8 inches, I don't know, really tall.
It's really tall.
So we're gonna pick it all up and we can use all that grass. We can put it in a compost pile, we can mulch things with it. We can use it for a lot of different stuff. So we're going over to get the, as Carl said earlier, the lawn sweep. Picks up the grass you pull behind your lawnmower, and so it'll make it easier to pick it all up. So I think that's the priority. We've got some other projects we need done and getting some mulch, but that's the main thing we got to do.
Alright, so we made it, and here's our lawn sweeper. At least the lawn sweeper that we're going to be using is right here. So we got the bristles that sweep up the grass into this thing that catches it, which it's kind of pulled up right now, but then you can just dump it wherever you want to. Thomas is actually up helping my grandpa move something. He was like, hey, I need your help. So, benefits of having grandkids around. Alright, that was really easy actually.
So we got the
Sweeper in the
sweeper
back.
in the back. We're heading out. And we are home. We've got the grass rake there.
We're gonna get it sleeping, I guess, and we'll show you where we put all the clippings.
Yep, let's get it done. got quite the crew going. We got a man on a push mower, somebody weed eating, somebody on the riding mower. I'm gonna go jump on the wheel horse with the lawn sweep, and I'm gonna be sweeping, but we're gonna work on that real quick, get it all done. So the second part of picking up grass is actually spreading it. You can't just leave it in piles, that's no good. So we're gonna spread it, we're gonna put it in between Mom's kitchen gardens behind me, and we have mulch there to keep weeds from growing in there, but it's really rough on the feet. She likes coming out in her bare feet and gardening and stuff. So we're gonna put grass on top to make it soft and compost and keep weeds down. That's what we'll keep it today for. We got some grass spread out there, down there, behind me, and we need some more, so I'm gonna keep sweeping and keep spreading. A couple more places we're gonna put in some flower beds, and so we're gonna put grass on top of some cardboard there, and that'll compost, turn into dirt and good soil, and we'll put in some flower beds. So we've got a good chunk of the lawn done, most of it mowed and raked up with the lawn sweep or lawn rake, and it's basically all done. There's a wet patch out there we can't get to. Dad's actually, there's a spot on the other side of the house that he's doing right now. We're gonna stop and eat some lunch, get out here, finish up, and get on to the rest of our projects today as we go about recovering from a trip, as you might call it, or however you want to say what we're doing. Okay, we're done with eating lunch, getting back at the projects.
Yep.
What, Jonas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jonas is doing that, and
You just video me.
and I'm gonna go get raking up grass, and Nathan's mowing. Ruben's still push mowing. Dad had to run to town, do some errands. Jonas is doing grass in the background, spreading it. Mom's spreading grass on the flower beds over there. And, well, that's what we're all doing. So, we're getting it done. Jonas's big muscles. I'm waiting on Nathan to do some more mowing so I can pick up the grass, and so I decided to see what Tessa's up to here in the van. What are you doing, Tessa?
I am cleaning the van, getting it ready to go back to the Paul Lambs. So,
Getting it all
shocking
clean.
me.
Keeps shocking her. Very shocking experience. So she's getting it all clean. We borrowed a van from my uncle, and it was very nice. But she's working on cleaning it up, getting it all clean from our trip, and well, I get to say, go pick up more grass now. So I'm here to get an update from Tessa. How's the van cleaning going?
Pretty good. I think we got most of the inside cleaned out. I wiped down stuff, vacuumed. I think it's just washing the outside, I think. So
Okay.
I'm putting stuff back in.
Awesome. Looks real clean. Good job. Go get it done. We're almost done mowing the lawn and picking up grass. And then on to, actually I gotta fix a panel for the pigs. Pig panel. And I don't know what else we're doing, but we'll get going on it. Okay, we are about done with projects today. Got the van all washed. At least I think. Ruben, is the van washed?
Just gotta pick up.
Just gotta pick up. And go show you the rest of the yard. It was quite long grass when we got here, but now it is all mowed. We have Mother's garden area all covered in grass, so it'll be nice on her feet. And the whole yard is very mowed. There's a wet spot over yonder that we did not mow, but it's been very wet, and that spot is normally wet, so normally we have trouble mowing that. We have a new flower bed going in right here. We put grass on, and there's a couple of new flower beds going in out this way. Here, I'll show you. So there's one going in right here by the road, and then another one over there by the road. Best place to put flower bed when you're trying to sell flowers, by the road. So I think we're completely unpacked. We might have a little more unpacking inside, but everything's out of the, I don't know if everything's out of the trailer, but the whole van is clean. Everything's out of the van. It's all inside. I still have to take care of the wheel horse and the lawn sweep that we borrowed. I think Dad is tilling the garden, the corn garden, as we put our sweet corn out. I don't know what we're putting in it this year. Probably sweet corn again. And I think that's it for today. We're probably it's Friday, so we'll probably have pizza and watch a movie or something. I don't know, hang out as a family. Might go down to Seth Lamb's, live just down the road, because, we've been gone, so go see them, hang out a little bit, relax, which isn't a bad thing. You can do that every once in a while. And, oh, I just noticed something. We missed a pile of grass right here. This was supposed to go around those onions. Yeah, we'll probably have to do that tomorrow. And some other things. I'm checking the chicks. They look so big. Very much bigger than when we left. They look good. All have their feathers on, which is great. Means we can start putting them out here in the yard, getting them used to being outside all the time. There's not anything really growing in here. There's a little bit, but not much. And then eventually we'll get them out here on the grass, probably in with a different batch of chickens. But yeah, here's these other chickens. They're all looking good too. I'm gonna do my evening walk through, make sure they all look fine. They all look good. What do you think? Do you think they look good? They look good to me. Our pasture is super tall. Makes me really happy. I need to get something on it. soon, which hopefully we're getting pigs here soon. I might get my uncle, who has some cows, and he's got a couple of calves. We might get something down here from there. Just get something eating it, so we don't have to mow it. I mean, it's all this wonderful grass and a lot of clover and some weeds, but you can see a lot of it there. It's growing good. There was a lot more grass in it last year. We planted it last year. It says it's second year, but there's still a little bit of grass, and up here where the chickens are, there's a lot of grass, but out there it's mainly clover, which is fine for chickens and pigs. These chickens doing good. Looking good in there. I decided to start moving these ones twice a day. I already moved them the second time today. So, because there's 30 in this one, so they really impact the soil a lot more. So, we'll move them twice a day now. But hope you liked watching us recover from our trip and seeing our projects and stuff we've been doing around the house today and around our property. And if you did, please like this video, comment. If you have any questions, go ahead, ask those. We will try to answer them to the best of our ability. So go ahead and do that, and share this video with a friend, maybe, you know, if they've been traveling, or if you've been traveling or anything, I don't know. So, see ya.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.